Is to go through the console number guess, number generator impl, and message generator impl classes and see what code you can remove and replace via Lombok annotations. And the tip here is that you only need to use the SLF4J and getter Lombok annotations. So pause the video and see if you can solve the challenge, and I'll see you when you get back. Pause the video now. Alright, so welcome back. I hope you managed to finish the challenge on your own. So let's now go through the solution step by step. So we're in IntelliJ at the moment. So the first class to change was the console number guess. So let's open that. Now in this class, if we scroll down and have a look, you can see we're not using any getters in here, just a logger. So what we can do is just remove our logger, and then we can add the SLF4J annotation, like so. Alright, so that's all we needed to do for that. The next one was the number generator impl class. So let's open that. Number generator impl class. Now this class, if we scroll down and have a look, you can see we've got two getters there. You can see the method names are getMaxNumber and getMinNumber. And in this class though, we're not using a logger. So what we're going to do first is just delete those two getters. Alright, then what I'm going to do is add the getter to each of the fields here. So add the getter annotation. So your solution may have used the getter at class level, and perhaps you went through then and set the access level to none for the random field, because that random field didn't have a getter. So that would be an acceptable solution as well. In my case, I've just set the getter annotation to both fields at field level because there was only a few fields there. Alright, so that should be all we need to do for that one. And the last class that we needed to work on was the message generator impl class. So opening that up, message generator impl class. So scrolling down and having a look, we've got some getters there, but they aren't regular getters. They have got code in them. So all we really need to do here is remove the logger and then add our SLF4J annotation. So that's literally all we needed to do. Yes, I would always advise, once you do make changes of this nature, or pretty well of any nature, to test your code. So let's run it. And I'll just fast forward running the game just to not take up too much time in the video, just to confirm that it's working. Alright, so as you can see, that's working fine. So Project Lombok is a very powerful tool in your arsenal. As you can see, it helps us to remove boilerplate code, and our code is cleaner and shorter as a result. This makes it easier to spot bugs and maintain the code base.